My name is Dr. Kathy Chesmel. I'm the director and the instructor at the camp, and it's Make It Matter, and it's all about how material science and engineering can be used to not only make products better, but hopefully make our world better. This year, the theme is sustainability, so we're looking at whole systems engineering design, cradle to grave engineering, so where we get our resources, how we use them, how the products can be repurposed or reused or recycled. Today they did two different design challenges. The first was to design a fidget spinner, and we modeled the engineering design process, and we took them through brainstorming and selecting criteria and prioritization, and then they had some time to build and test a fidget spinner, and we did a spin-off competition to see whose fidget spinner could spin the longest. So Tuesday to Thursday they're going to be visiting 6 different professors' labs, and the professors are going to be sharing with the campers their research and aspects of sustainability that are in their research. And all the workshops are hands-on, so our kids are going to actually get to touch some of the materials and see some of the actual things that the professors do. So they're going to be making emulsions, they're going to be touring the materials characterization lab, they're going to be working on superconductivity and levitating a magnet, they're going to be making a voltaic pile battery, they're going to be testing and measuring the speed of light, and they're going to be actually going into a lab and seeing how photovoltaic cells are made. So they get a broad spectrum of all aspects of material science from the actual professors who are doing the work. So it's a kind of a once-in-a-lifetime, really cool experience for the kids.
The kids have been really engaged in all the labs that we've been to so far, and it's cool to see them realize that science isn't boring and scientists are pretty much regular people. You know, they're figuring out still what their main interests are in life or in science. And it's cool that they get to see such a variety in this camp, from small things to chemicals to electricity to light.
I think it's cool that they learn about stuff in textbooks and they actually get to see it and do it here.
So this afternoon they're testing takeout food containers, and then they're going to pick their own teams and hopefully create a more sustainable takeout food container.
We're measuring how much temperature changes in these different containers using hot and cold water over the 30-minute time period.
We're going to try to see how to improve the sustainability of the project.
And how we can make the container hold temperature better and be a better insulator.
They have 3 or 4 different base materials they have to use, like plastic, aluminum, and glass. And they have to try to improve upon the base conditions it was for keeping water hot or cold for a certain amount of time. When they first took the base measurements, they were kind of excited, like, why is it going down so fast? Being able to take the stuff that they're learning now, like in each of the little labs, is like helping them come up with a better solution to the base conditions it was.
They're going to learn a lot about material science, collaboration, teamwork. Failure can be as productive a tool as success, because a lot of the things that they're going to want to try to do aren't going to work, but hopefully it will give them ideas to try the next generation.